Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you haven't subscribed, you know how it goes, you know the deal. Please pause this video, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and click on that notification bell so that whenever we bring out fresh video like this, you get to know right away. In today's video, I will be making one of my favorite dishes, oven grilled tilapia. My friend will be coming later today with PS5. I haven't upgraded yet. And we will be playing FIFA with me and the kids. And whenever he's here, he enjoys a Nigerian meal. And I just thought to cook something that is really special, you know, my go-to meal. I will be pairing it with jollof rice. You can do it with fried rice or any meal of your choice. Okay, let's get cooking. So one thing I like to do is take off the fins. So this has been properly washed. I just go ahead and dab it or pat it dry, like so. And after you have done that, get a knife and make an incision. This is where the marinade is going to come in afterwards. Make sure you do it on both sides. And so for my seasoning, I'll be needing a mix of bouillon, salt, curry, and of course soya spice. Mix it up together. And then rub it all over the fish and make sure to allow it penetrate. So when this is done, I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. So this has been properly marinated. I'll just set it outside. I got my tomato, paprika, onions, ginger, garlic, and habanero pepper. You can also use Scotch bonnet. So to make the sauce in a one pot, just put in a few drops of oil. Here I have olive oil. You can use vegetable oil if that's what you prefer, and let it heat up and just pour in the tomato pepper mix. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat to get the taste of that rawness, you know, out of the tomato and the paprika pepper mix. So here I got the bouillon. So this is paprika, the curry, onions, salt, and thyme, and of course some crayfish for that smoky taste. Just go ahead, pour it in the that's already cooking. The sauce is ready, and right now I'm spreading it over the marinated tilapia fish.
Meanwhile,
so while the fish is grilling, I'll just go ahead and start washing the rice. The most important thing is use parboiled rice, you know, for jollof rice preferably. Because every other grain, you know, doesn't really stay whole, you know, after cooking. But this one, you know, looks better with jollof rice. So I'm just going to wash it now until the water is clear, because it was quite starchy. So let's just pour in some vegetable oil. where I will be sauteing the onions and then putting in the tomato, paprika, pepper mix. Pour in some thyme. And the last time I was visiting Nigeria, smoke won't let you see properly. I got this jollof rice spice, yeah, and all of that. So I'll just pour it in. Let it fry. And here I got about 2 spoons of tomato concentrate. I'll just pour it in and also let it fry. Allow it fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. That way all that raw taste is taken away. Then you can pour in the tomato mix it up and allow this fry until the oil comes up to the surface of the tomato. That way you know the tomato is properly fried.
A few moments later.
The tilapia is grilling away. I just flip it so the other part can also grill. This has been boiling for a while now, and the oil just came to the surface. So let's continue cooking. So the rice has been properly washed and cleared. Let's go ahead and pour it in. Make sure to stir and mix it up properly together. So at this point you can just go in and chuck in some bay leaves for additional flavor and turn the heat down to medium low heat. So just pour in some oil, just enough to cover the rice. Now at this point you can go ahead and cover with foil paper to trap in the heat. While the rice is cooking away, I will be frying some plantain as a side dish and a little salad too. I've just finished slicing the plantain to desired size and shape, and now I'll just salt it a little bit. My vegetable oil is already sitting on the stove for a while now. It should be getting hot. Let's go ahead and fry this. Voila. Let's see how far this has come. Look at that, brilliant color. So this has been cooking for about 40 minutes now. Remember, it's on low heat. That's how you get it properly cooked, using the steam. So our plantain is ready. Jollof rice is cooked, and the fish is grilled. It's time to do some salad. And for my salad, it's pretty easy. All I will be needing is mixed vegetables and my favorite salad dressing, which is the French style dressing, and that is it.